The R300DCT Plus has a huge cut capacity. At 90 degrees, it can cut to a maximum cutting depth of 4.5 inches. The ergonomic trigger handle also features the rubber overmolding for user comfort, whether you're a left or a right-handed user. Supplied with this saw, you get a 12-inch premium cutting diamond blade. This has been designed for longer blade life. It comes designed with a wheeled base. This allows you to make effortless straight cuts down at ground level. The key feature of this machine is the ability to keep the dust away through the water-fed dust suppression. It's protected by the armored water hose routing and brass hose connection. A sleeker design, lower maintenance costs, and of course zero emissions means an electric disc cutter is an affordable solution for cutting your bricks, concrete, and metal.